Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: data inventory, policies, and stakeholder buy-in. Next, choose a pilot scope and deploy agents to 10-20 representative endpoints so you capture real behavior. Once done, enable detection-only mode to observe alerts without blocking. Make sure to log everything centrally for analysis and adjust policy sensitivity to avoid noise. This early tuning prevents false positives later. You're now collecting baseline telemetry to inform rules and escalation workflows. You now translate inventory into enforceable policies, map data classes to specific rules and legal controls. Then craft rules with clear actions, notify, quarantine, or block, and define justified exceptions. Once ready, run controlled exfiltration tests and benign file transfers to validate detection accuracy. Pay attention to contextual signals like user role and destination. These reduce false positives. If tests reveal gaps, iterate rule granularity and add exception lists, because precise policies are what make you complete rollout by expanding from pilot to phase departments, making sure agents and policies are consistent. Train users and responders with concise runbooks and incident playbooks so everyone knows their role. Monitor dashboards daily and refine rules based on alerts and user feedback. If you encounter persistent false positives, collect logs, reduce rule scope, and add contextual attributes. This fixes overblocking without disabling protection. Finally, schedule periodic reviews to adjust for new data types and changing compliance requirements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.